rear springs. So these rear springs are not strong enough. If I push down, you can see it returns, but if I pull it up, it's got, so that's me taking the weight off it, and you can see there's about 10 or 15 mil that I need to pull it up. So those springs aren't strong enough. So I've got these new springs custom made. So we'll get these painted up and installed. So I've got some paint mixed up. This is red oxide primer. So we'll give the springs a coat of that red oxide using this Tamiya Spray Works spray gun, and then it'll get a yellow top coat, so the paint will come out like these. These springs on the front are already strong enough. Those are also custom made springs, but that snaps back really good. It's just the rear ones that I've got to change. So let's get painting. And this is the yellow. So that's the springs painted. Just give them a bit of time to dry, and then we'll fit them. All right, take these springs out. One. And you can see they're quite strong, but not strong enough. And then you just take the pressure off. Take the pressure off the spring. You got to be careful with screwdrivers, because I put one through my finger the other day and it's not very nice. So put the screwdriver out of my hand, and then you got to try and compress the spring, drop that out, and that's how you take the spring out. So that off one spring, same with this one. Take the pressure off, take that out, and then so that's a new spring fitted, and it's a lot stronger. That's a lot of force required to compress that. So the next spring, and that's a comparison. This is the new spring, that's the old spring. So compress. Don't want to break anything, that would be a disaster. And that's how easy it is to swap out the springs. Yeah, very stiff. Right. So, fit these springs back on. So we have these pins. I just got to remember which one it went in. Oh yeah, still got the grub screw in here. So I don't want to twist it with that amount of force on it, so it's better just to release that pressure and then turn it so those are about in line. And let's put it that way. Feels good so far. Right, let's just turn that so it's lining up. That's diesel, by the way, to try and soften the rubber on the tyres and see if we can make them smoke. That's another video for another day. Yep, seems all good. Right, time to put the wheels back on. Got the blue Loctite there, 243. Which is getting really low. it's a good idea to put Loctite on all your wheel nuts. And don't over tighten. But they've got to be tight. So it's not easy to know how much pressure, how much torque to put on those, but you can normally feel when it's tight. And if you over tighten them, you could strip the thread and then you're in all sorts of trouble. So a bit of Loctite on these threads. Right, suspension's changed. And we'll see what that's like now. So you guys are finding out the same time as me. So we push it down and it should return all the way back up. So when I pull it up, there should be nothing left, and that's good. So let's push it down and then let it up slowly, and then try and pull it. Yep, that's good. Much better. Happy with that? So we're ready to do some burnout testing.